Hey guys, and welcome to another video on Luminar Neo. In this video, I'm going to do just this quick and simple sky replacement on this beautiful image. Now, you must be asking, hey man, why would you change the sky of a photo which has already a beautiful sky? My answer would be anyway, so we're gonna do a sky replacement, and also I'm kind of curious on how this works, to be honest with you. So this is all I'm doing this video on my personal interest, so I hope that you are coming along with this video. So just to give it a test, because it's an exceptional image for two things, because you can test the reflection on the water. So I'm going to try to find something that punchy enough that should reflect on the water. So to do so, I need a cloud and bright sky. For example, a dramatic sunset, I would imagine that do the trick. So I'm going to click, for example, this image which has a block of white cloud, and you can clearly see it does a phenomenal job. Come on, I mean, just awesome. What I can tell though, it does miss a little bit of brightness, but that's another thing. I'm going to go for a galaxy. Let's see what it gives me, just out of curiosity. And again, it does do a good job. That being said, if I zoom in right there, wait a minute, you're gonna see it in a moment. You see that there, right there, not good. So need some work. Maybe if I close gaps might help. No, backward. So no, it's not helping at this moment. If I do global, for example, maybe that would help. No, it's not helping either. I mean, it is doing a good job on reflection though. However, the edges not that good yet. So I'm gonna go back. So I imagine the problem in this image, which is this one. See the cloud? This cloud, the artificial intelligence taking them as an object, like building or mountains. So this is where the problem comes. I'm gonna go to something even more complicated, I say. So sunset cloud, for example. Again, I mean, if you look at for the instance, you might not see the problem, because this image right there, again, the cloud looks like mountains. I mean, obviously, because otherwise, look at that. It does do a good job through this house, but the clouds are detected as they are, something else. And also I lose some of the wear here, right there. Hang on a second, I'm coming there. You can clearly see that, I lose some of the details on the wear. Good thing or a bad thing, that's very subjective. So globally, it does a good job. Being said, not perfect. So there you go. I mean, I hope that you like this video. If so, like and subscribe. I hope that this quick little video, you found it useful. If so, go down in the description below, and I encourage you to download a trial version of it so that you can see it for yourself. All right, bye.